Athi ukuthi niyakwata ke mengintshela ukuthi if awumazi angeke ngisayisho guys sorry. Please introduce yourself to our viewers with your name nokuthi uhlala happy and what team were you playing for today?
Sanibonani ngizothatha ukuqala ngokubingelela igama lami uAhlumile isibongo sami uVuwani ngihlala eXovadini eChief Luthuli mina ngumdlali webhola vele nje bangibizile lapha si bazongishaya interview.
Okay, so mdlali webhola what motivated you to play football and in a like short nje yabo shay pyramid ama teams okhe wadlalela up until now?
Into engimotivateile ukuthi ngidlala ibhola ibhola ngafundiswa ubhuti wami uThemba umuntu owaqala vele wangidlalisa lona I think benginabuma 5 to 6 years angidlalisa lona bese ngahamba Sachiefta la bengihlala khona bengihlala eThwazi Sachiefta ngazohlala ngapha eChief Luthuli then khona umunye coach bathi coach Touch Siphamandla Hlatshwayo uAstana uye vele umuntu ongikhulisayo vele ningibona ngingaka vele ngikhulise uye but manje ngisadlala kuye but ngiyabonga ngokuthi ngikhulisile wangifundisa izinto eziningi empilweni
Shout out coach. So when cause it turns out to go to captain, ne? So what do you think because a captain is leader in a way. So what do you think makes a great leader?
Into yenza ukuthi ube great leader kumele njalo uhlala ukhuthaza ama player wakho ba motivate if like namhlanje maybe hlala kabi njengoba hliwe namhlanje ku semi final mele ngiye lapha ngiyobaqoqozela abajida ukuthi yonke into izoba grand bajida bangapheli umoya ibhola vele linjalo ibhola vele likuphula inhliziyo but as a player you need to be strong mentally physically ngayo yonke into vele kumele ube strong into engizosuka la manje ngiyovaya ngitshela abajida bami ukuthi yonke into izoba grand kumele sibuyeni ngamandla yonke into vele izoba right.
So since Ushugut you guys didn't win igame namhlanje, how are you taking the lose and pressure from ama fans when abantu like who are rooting for you guys? Of course kuzoba ne pressure, so how do you guys take the pressure and how do you handle the lose?
Ukliwa seswami it's part of football into ekhona philosophy yebhola but the only thing ekumele siyenze we are going back to the drawing board sobona solungisa ama mistake wethu la sibonile ukuthi hayi la sibhedile solungisa asiraselana sifakelana pressure just siyashotanga kumele ulungiselana lana iyo vele into ezosinceda leyo sokhuthazana vele kuphela nje siswami.
So when since uqalile ukudlala ibhola what would you say like the few things ezikhulisile or few things that you have learned from yourself and surrounding yakho?
Since ngidlala ibhola vele izinto ezingikhulisayo ngiyakwazi ukuhlonipha abantu abadala in football angeke ukwazi ukudlala ibhola ungahloniphi respect ibalekile the level of respect kumele ibe highly rated yonke into vele oyenzayo umdlalo webhola inside the field and outside the field you need to be discipline is very important you can go the long way with discipline ibaleke kakhulu siswami ngisho kanjalo.
So manje bekukhulunywa yabo kuba khona indaba yokuthi kunama boss star sedolo nani what not so wena ngokwazi kwakho neopinion yakho ubani star sedolo?
Star sedolo mina sisama kakhulukazi angilibheki idolo kule position engidlala kuyo ama player wedolo nani cha mina angwabheki but into engayisho umuntu ongidlalela ngicela ukusho umuntu ongidlalela kamnandi abantu kahle abangidlalela kamnandi ongiqalela ikasi or abadlala eTV
la ikasi
la ikasi abayi3 la ikasi ngithanda Siyabonga Buda uFiti defensive midfielder eGarden Village but manje edlala ku West Junior ngiyayithanda Phamalats amaHotman la ngibalela wona Phamalats waseXovadini ungidlalela kamnandi ngiyamthanda ubuthi ukuthi akasadlali manje ibhola but ngiyafisa ukuthi abuye ebholweni ukokobela esinye strike abathi ukokobela saseXovadini ngiyasithanda naso.
So kule 3 level oy mentionile start 1 name 1 start 1 bench 1 and sell 1.
Ngihambisa uFiti nyamambisa makayi overseas sekamdala ebholweni ngidlalisa uPhama
lo munye uyambencha vele obvious
lo munye ngiyambencha akakabi fit enough uzobuya kahle.
All right. No, word of the day nyana before we close it off.
Oh, word of the day. Ngicela wonke ama-soccer player adlala ibhola la abancane ahloniphe abazali babo, inhlonipho iqala endlini bese uyayikhipha endlini uyese ebantwini. Angeke udlala ibhola ungana discipline. Discipline ibaluleke kakhulu. Sonke la sifuna ukufika khona sizofika, but mesingana discipline angeke sifike. Asiluleni bachita, asigrindeni, keep pushing, sizoba mnandi sonke, ngiyabonga.
Sharp. Thank you for your time.